Hi, welcome to IBF, the channel for people who are sick of losing money and ready to trade like a professional. Let's be honest, most retail traders are set up to fail from day one. They're sold dreams, handed indicators, and told to buy the dip. What they're not told is that relying on technical analysis alone, using 10x leverage and trading on emotion, is why 90% blow up their accounts within 90 days. This channel is different. We don't do hype. We teach you how real traders operate using the data that actually moves markets. We focus on economic indicators like the ISM, building permits, and consumer sentiment, the kind of signals hedge funds act on before the chart even turns. Technicals, yes, but only as a timing tool, never as a trading strategy on their own. And most importantly, we teach you how to think, how to build your own edge, manage risk, and stop being part of the crowd that always loses. If you're tired of chasing trades, blowing up accounts, and listening to fake gurus, hit subscribe and stay locked in, because what I'm about to show you might just change the way you see the market forever. Welcome to IBF. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start learning how to trade.